can begin just by allowing yourself to pause for a moment. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nothing to fix, nothing to dissolve. Just be here. And you might notice that even in this moment, your body is already breathing in and out without any effort. And sometimes when we feel low, the mind becomes heavy. Thoughts slow down or repeat themselves, and that's okay. Because even this is a signal, not a problem. So you can begin very gently to bring your attention to your breath, not changing it, just noticing it. And as you notice your breath, you might become aware of a small space, a quiet space between each inhale and each exhale. And in that space, there is no pressure, no expectation, just stillness. And you may begin to realize that this feeling, this heaviness, does not define you. It is something moving through you, like a cloud passing through the sky. And even the heaviest clouds eventually move without effort. So there is nothing you need to push away, nothing you need to hold on to. Just allowing, and perhaps a part of you, a quieter part, is already beginning to soften. You may not notice it immediately, or you might notice a slight shift, a small release in your shoulders, your chest, your face, and that's enough. Because change doesn't need to be big. It can begin very gently. And as you continue breathing, you might allow yourself to feel supported by the ground beneath you, by the space around you. And even now, your body knows how to return to balance. You don't need to force it. You don't need to rush it. Because something deeper is already working, quietly, steadily restoring you. And you may begin to notice a sense of warmth or calm, or simply a little more space inside. And that space is where clarity returns, where energy begins to rise again. Not all at once, but gradually, naturally. And you can trust that even this moment is part of your process. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is broken. You are simply rebalancing. And as you sit here, breathing, allowing, you may begin to feel just a little lighter. Even 5% lighter is enough, because that is how momentum begins. And you can take this feeling with you, slowly returning at your own pace. And when you are ready, you can gently bring awareness back to your body, back to the room. Carry with you a quiet sense of calm, a little more space, and the knowing that you are already on your way back. Just take your time. And when you are ready, open your eyes and finish your session with a glass of water.